Alright, hello? Game just crashed. I set up those guys. I glitched through the floor. I so hope I got that. Oh, if the file didn't save. Oh no. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna check if the file saved. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Turns out none of that footage I just did got saved. So, what I did is I opened the moss blanket, I got these guys, and I glitched through the floor right here. I bought a bunch of upgrades, I unlocked the moss blanket, I probably already said that. I didn't get anything from the moss blanket yet, I just went in there. Oh, that sucks. I was just selling plorts, dude, and then my computer screen went black, and it's like, haha, Anubis. Oh, okay. Lot for me to do this episode. I was gonna do this, and then I explained how that's gonna be not here, but like this area right here is gonna be my farm area, and then that's gonna be a free range area, the cave there. Oh, it sucks so bad. Oh, I was like 20 minutes into the video too. Oh my gosh. I think OBS like crashed or something. I was just explaining how I was starting to like OBS, and then that happened, and I don't really know what to say. Oh, that sucks so bad. I got money. It's fine. No. Corral, purchase. You to activate. That. This, and this. Alright. Now I'm gonna do another one of those right here. F? Flashlight? What? Just go away. Alright. Corral. Bup. Alright. Now I got 2 more corrals for slimes. They got everything all set. Wow. That stinks. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna... Oh, sorry. You guys probably should have read that. Here, you can pause it. There was this too that crashed. You guys can pause and read that too. There you go. And then there's this. Alright. Oh. Wow. That sucks. Alright. See you guys in a little bit. Alright. I'm not done selling all the plorts yet. I just filled all these up, but I got Mark II stuff. So I'm gonna buy this to make it easier on me. There we go. Alright, I just want to record that. Alright, again, see you guys in a bit. Alright, and after all that, I ended up with a whopping 15,537 new bucks. Let's go. Alright, I'm probably just gonna put stuff in their auto feeders now. I guess I'll see you guys then too. Alright, be right back. God, so crazy. Oh. I didn't pause it. Oh well, you guys just saw me do that. That's it's fine. That's we're not gonna talk about that. So, I'm gonna go Lucky Slime. Chimkin, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Back. 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 Oh. He just appeared that fast? Alright. Whatever. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the moss blanket. Alright. And then I'm gonna get all the slimes there, including hunter slimes, which a lot of you guys probably haven't seen yet because they can go invisible. And then I'm gonna get mint mangoes, as long as some more boom slimes, so I can make crystal booms. Because I have rad plorts and I have crystal plorts, so I don't really need those slimes anymore. So, I'm just gonna get a bunch of boom slimes and a bunch of honey slimes and probably a bunch of hunter slimes. And then mint mangoes. So yeah. Gonna pause the recording again. And actually no, I'm not gonna pause the recording. Cause I kinda want you guys to see this. This place is really cool. Here. Read. Pause. There you go. Do I have the map of this place yet? No. Ooh. I don't even know where the map of this place is. Huh. What's up here? Oh, that's right, I have the jetpack now. That's locked. Water! Yeah. I can deal with Tars now. More like Tarzan. I'm not funny. Alright, Briar Hand. There you go. Well. Through here. I really want this map. You're mean looking. Okay. I'm gonna run past you. Honey slime! Where's all the mint mangoes? Tell me where they are. No. I'm most likely gonna do a bunch of honey slime stuff. Is that a mint mango tree? Where's all the mint mangoes? Here's one. Alright, all I need is one. Alright, I need more honey slimes. Where'd they go? Hello? That's weird. Alright, I'm gonna grab some more boom slimes. I really don't have any chickens right now. Oh no, there's one right here. Yeah, he's right there. Oh, you. Oh, that just shows how unlucky I get in these videos. Where's the map of this place? Here, this is gonna be the honey slime secret sign. There you go. And roll! Yeah. Here. Look at them now. Yeah. They look kind of cool. I like them. Now I just need hunter slimes. Well, one hunter slime, I think, should do it. Because then I'll get the plorts from it. And, yeah. Go away. Go away. Okay. I don't know. If you guys want me to play like Minecraft or something, I can do that. I got Minecraft. Where's this map? Please tell me where. Tell me where the map is. I think this is where they are. Maybe. More boom slimes. Might as well grab them. honey slimes. Whoa, you got launched. Come on. Right here. Yeah. Right there. Right there. No, not pink port. Right there. There you go. Alright. Ooh. 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 Getting a lot of these guys. Oh, alright. Gotta wait for my energy to charge up. Yeah, because those are the mushrooms, right? Go, 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 go. Okay. We're fine. Yeah. Yeah, here they are. There should be one somewhere, hopefully. He went kaboom. Because I know the hunter slimes like being around the mushrooms. There's one. There he is. Buddy. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get a couple of these guys. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot. Yeah. Where's all the hunters, dude? Oh. Alright. Oh, there's a secret style over here. Ooh, slip. Oh, that was sketchy. Oh, Cheshire! Yeah. These guys look cool. There's one. I think 2's enough. 2. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Unless I can find more, then... whatever. Alright. I'm gonna make it back to base. I'm gonna plant this mint mango. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I found another one of these guys. And, there it is. First time I went exploring in the moss blanket, I got stuck here, so I constructed a way out. It's just up beyond it. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys where it is. It's right over here. There you go. I'll see you guys in a little bit. And we're here. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna put these guys over here. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. I'm gonna make some boom honeys too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I'm gonna. How'd you get out? How'd you do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Man, these guys are weird, dude. Garden. Bop, bop. There we go. Mint mango. Oh, look at the tree. There we go. Alright. So we got honey hunters and we have honey booms. I don't know what I'm gonna change you guys into. I'm gonna just keep you. I have the boom, I have the honey, I have the hunter, I have the red, I have the crystal. I don't know. Alright. Oh, sleep until morning. Do it again. Return to ranch. And now, I got a ton of mint mangoes. Garden, because I have 2 honey slimes. And mint mangoes are honey slimes' favorite food. Shoot one of these bad boys in there. Think. And that. There we go. I'm gonna throw. Nah, I'm just gonna throw 20 in each. There we go. There we go. Cool. Oh, look at. Oh, they're angry. I forgot they do that. Be unangry. You too. There you go. Ow. Unangry. Unangrify. Now. You're angry too. Ah, oh, there's so many angries. I'm all out of food. What is fruit? I don't have any of that. Oh, no. Or meat. Fruit or meat. None of you are mad, are you? No, right? Right, you're all good? Oh no, there's him. Okay, sleep time. No, I gotta feed those guys. I forgot about that. Cool. Then get all these. If you can hear anyone in the background, that's my brother playing with his friends. Okas go to you. And heartbeats go to you. There we go. Alright. Now it's sleep time, because they gotta eat. See them till morning? I gotta feed these guys. See them till morning again. Just to make all the plants grow to their maximum potential. And suck all the mint mangoes. Suck up these mint mangoes. Oh, that's all of them. Okay. You're angry. Stop being angry. Stop it. Commit unangry. There we go. There's still like a normal honey slime in there? Bro, eat this. There you go. Oh, now you're angry. Eat this. No, he's good. Okay. Cool. Then we do this. And there's a lot of ports. Look at them all. Oh, you can't put them back in there. I mean, you technically can. But... there you go. Alright. Why are you angry? What do you eat? I forgot what you eat. Mint mangoes. That's right. Forgot to feed you guys. I'm sorry. I'm a bad parent. Alright. I'm sorry. Don't blow up. Stop. There you go. And there's a lot of mint mangoes in there still. So, there you go. I gotta feed you guys. Or did I already? No, I didn't. Okay. Alright, and then get you. Cool. Alright. Akas. I just say. Whoa, those are spikes. How'd you get out? No. How did you get out? Are there any random ports? I gotta make sure, because I don't want tars. Oka, eat this now. Alright. Having random slimes out is very scary. Because if they eat one of the random plorts around, because they're largos, they'll turn into tars, and all the tars will eat all my stuff. And that's scary. Ow. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording again, and I'm gonna sell all these plorts, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I just sold pretty much all of the plorts, and I'm actually gonna end the video here. I'm pretty sure I've been playing for a while. There's been a lot of cutting stuff out, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't have an outro, which is my outro. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.